Hello friends, welcome back for the today's session. Today we are going to solve chapter 1 real number exercise 1.1. So give you few minute attention here. You don't forget like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much to watching this video. So I KK Sugla, master teacher of mathematics. Now let's start the lecture. Our first question, this is the exercise 1.1. Question number 1, use Euclid's division algorithm to find SCF of 4052 and 12576. So student here, friends here, we not know the table of this, so you can divide this side. So first of all, by Euclid's division algorithm, by Euclid division algorithm. Here we know that A equal to BQ plus R. Here 12,576 is greater than 4,052. So A will be 12,576. 12,576 equal to 4,052 into, now we not know the quotient, then you can right side you can find the basic division. So basic division, in basic division 12,576 divided by 4,052. Now we not know the table of 4052. So first of all, we divide 12 by 4. 4 3s are 12, means we can take 3 as a quotient. Then you multiply 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 5 carry 1. 3 0s are 0. Carry here 1. 3 4s are 12. Now subtract. Then you get 6 minus 6. 0. 7 minus 5. 2. 5 minus 1, 4, means we get 420. Quotient will be 3. 4,052 multiply by 3 plus remainder is 420. Now remainder is not 0 here. If remainder is not 0, then we continue this process. Again 4,052 will be the dividend and remainder will be divisor. Here will be 420. Multiply by, divide here 420. 4,052 divided by 420. Now again here you can take 420 in 4. This is the first 4,052. So we can take 9 as quotient, because 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. So you can take 9, multiply 9 0s are 0, 9 2s are 18, 8, carry 1, 9 4s are 36, 137. After subtracting 2, 15 minus 8, 7, 9, 9 minus 7, 2, 272. Again here quotient will be 9 plus remainder is 272. Remainder is not 0, we continue this process. Now 420 will be dividend and 272 is divisor. Multiply by, here you can take one quotient, no need to divide. If you know, then you write directly. 272, 420 divided by 272, quotient will be 1 plus remainder, subtract 10 minus 2, 8. then after here 11 minus 7 4, and here 3 minus 2 1 148. Again remainder is not 0. If remainder is not 0, then we continue this process. Again 272 dividend becomes dividend, 148 will become divisor, multiply by, again here quotient will be 1 plus remainder, subtract here, remainder will be 12 minus 8, 12 minus 8 is 4, and again here 6 minus 4 2, now 2 minus 1 124. Again remainder is not 0, we continue this process. This will be 148 equal to 124 will be divisor. Now you 148 divided by 124, quotient will be 1 plus remainder, subtract 8 minus 4, here will be 4, 4 minus 2 2, 24. Remainder is not 0, continue this process. Now 124 equal to 24 multiply by, we know that 24 5s are 120, so you can take 5 as a quotient plus remainder will be 4. Again remainder is not 0, continue this process. This will become 24 become dividend, and remainder will be divisor, multiply by 4 6 are 24 plus remainder is 0. Now remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then we can find the HCF. Here you draw a line. Now you can write HCF is equal to, divisor will be HCF. Here is divisor will be 4, then 4 will be HCF. This is the answer. It is very simple. Using basic division you can write Euclid division algorithm, use Euclid division algorithm. So I repeat once again, question is use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of 4052 and 12576. So now by Euclid's division algorithm we know that A equal to BQ plus R, where the value of R is 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. Now here 12,576 is greater than 4052. So you take A is 12,576 and B 4052. Now when you divide 12,576 divided by 452, then quotient will be 3 and remainder will be 420. This is the first step. In first step remainder is not 0, we continue this process. Again 4052 equal to 420, and quotient will be, you can, if you not write directly, then you can divide and write. So when you divide 4052 by 420, then quotient will be 9, remainder will be 272. So quotient 9 plus 272. R is not 0, repeat this step, 422 dividend, 272 divisor, quotient will be 1 plus 148. Again 272 dividend, 1 divided by 148, quotient 1 plus remainder 124. Again 124, 148 is dividend, 124 remainder is divisor, quotient is 1 plus remainder is 24. Again 124 equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. Remainder is not 0, then continue this process. 24 equal to 4, 24 divided by 4. When you divide 24 by 4, then 4 6 are 24. Quotient 6 plus remainder will be 0. If remainder is 0, R is 0, then we can find the HCF, highest common factor. HCF is equal to 4, divisor is HCF. This is the answer. Now let's move for the next question. Second question is, 196 and 38,220. Here since 38,220 is greater than 196. So A is 38,220 and B will be 196 by Euclid division algorithm. By Euclid's division algorithm, we know that A equal to BQ plus R. Now A 38,220 equal to B 196 into quotient. We not know the table of 196, so right side you can divide 38,220 divided by 196. We not know the table of 196, therefore first you divide 38 by 19. 382, you take 382 by 196. If you take 2 quotient, then it will be greater. So you can take here 1 quotient, then 196. Subtract 12 minus 6, 6. Here 7, 17. 17 minus 9, 8. And 2 minus 1, 1. Then you write here 2. Again 19, you take here 3 digit and divide by 19. 19 9 ja 171. So we can take 9 as quotient. Multiply by 196 into 9. 9 6 ja 54. 4 carry 5. 9 9 ja 81. 81 plus 5 86. Carry 8. 9 1 ja 9 plus 8 17. Again subtract 12 minus 4 8 and here 6 15. 5 means you take borrow, then 15. 15 minus 6 9. 7 minus 7 0 0. Again you take 0. Now 19 5 ja 95 means we can take 5 as a quotient. 5 6 ja 30 0 carry 3. 5 9 ja 45 plus 3 48. 5 1 ja 5 plus 4 9 means it will be 0. So you can write here 38,220 equal to 196 multiply by 195 plus remainder is 0. In first steps remainder is 0, so we can find the HCF. Therefore HCF is equal to, HCF is, don't forget, HCF is always divisor. So here divisor is 196, so HCF will be 196. Don't write HCF is 195. HCF is always divisor. This is the answer of second questions. Now next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, word problem questions. So in word problem question, it is important question for the board examination. Its solution is, question is, show that any positive odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5, where q is some integers. So student, friends, here odd integer is of the form 6 cube plus 1 means you take b equal to 6. In solution, how you write the solution? In step first, let a be a positive integers, a be a positive integers and you take b equal to 6. What is here? You take b, value of b equal to 6. Now apply the division algorithm. Applying apply the division algorithm. Apply division algorithm. We know that A equal to BQ plus R. A equal to BQ plus R. But here A equal to B. B is 6. 6Q plus R. Where the value of R, where the value of R is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 6 years, less than B means 6, less than 6. Therefore this is equation number 1. Therefore the possible remainders are, the possible remainders are equal to, you start to writing R, value of R is G equal to 0 and less than to 6, means you write 0 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the possible values of R. The possible values of R 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now from equation 1, A can be, using equation 1, from equation 1 A can be, if you take R is 0, then A will be equal to 6Q, comma, if R is 1, then 6Q plus 1, comma, R is 2, 6Q plus 2. Similarly 3, 4, 5, 6Q plus 3, comma, 6Q plus 4, comma, 6Q plus 5. Just put the values of R in equation 1, you get the value of A. So the value of A is, if R is 0 in equation 1, then A equal to 6Q, this is the 0. If R is 1, then A is equal to 6Q plus 1. Similarly 6Q plus 2, 6Q plus 3, 6Q plus 4, 6Q plus 5. But we know that since A is odd integer, since A is odd integers or odd positive integers, so you take only odd integers. We know that odd and even. Odd number means the number which is not divisible by 2. So here 6Q is divisible by 2, it is even number. 6Q plus 1 odd number, 6Q plus 2 even number, 6Q plus 3 odd number, 6Q plus 4 even number, 6Q plus 5 odd number. Since A is odd integers, therefore the odd integers are, therefore A will be first 6Q plus 1, comma, 6Q plus 3, comma, 6Q plus 5. Because A is odd integer, so we know that odd positive integers and even positive integers. Odd positive integers means it is not divisible by 2. So that number you have to write here. Hence we get the answer, any positive odd integers, hence any positive odd integers is of the form is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. Hence this is proved. It is proved. I repeat once again, it is important question. Question is, show that any positive odd integers is of the form of 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5 where q is some integers. Solution, let a be a positive integers and b equal to 6. Here 6 cube plus 1, then you take value of b 6 and consider, let us assume a be a positive integer, b is 6. Apply the division algorithm, a equal to b cube plus r, then it will be a equal to 6 cube plus r because b equal to 6. Therefore a is 6 cube plus r, where the possible remainders are r is greater than or equal to 0 but less than divisor. Therefore the possible remainders are r is, you start from 0 and write less than 6, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. From equation 1, in equation 1 you can see that one by one you substitute the value of r. If r is 0, then a is 6 cube. R is 1, then it will be 6 cube plus 1. Similarly 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 4, 6 cube plus 5. Since a is odd integers, we have to take only odd integers. Therefore a will be, the value of a is 6 cube plus 1, 6 cube plus 3, 6 cube plus 5, because odd integers which is not divisible by 2, even integers divisible by 2. 6 cube plus 2, 6 cube plus 4, it will be even integers, even positive integers, it will be divisible by 2. So we write only odd integers. Hence any positive odd integers is of the form 6 cube plus 1 or 6 cube plus 3 or 6 cube plus 5. This will be proved. Now last question for the today's session. Question number 3. Its solution is, question, an army contingent of 616 members is to march behind an army band of 32 members in a parade. The two groups are to march in the same numbers of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? I repeat once again. Here in question asking the maximum number of columns. For the maximum and minimum, for a maximum you find HCF, highest common factor, and for minimum you find lowest common multiple, LCM. You remember that. Maximum HCF. If minimum, then you find LCM. So here is maximum, then you find the HCF. HCF of 616 and 32. So you get the how many student can march in each group in the same number of columns. So here we can find the HCF. Now to find maximum number of column, to find maximum number of column, we can find HCF of 616 and 32. Now you can find the HCF. HCF is here by Euclid division. By Euclid division algorithm, we know that here A is 616 and B is 32. So we can write A equal to BQ plus R. Now A means 616 equal to B 32. into quotient. Now you have to divide. Right side you have to do the basic division. 616 divided by 32. 32 1 ja 32, remainder 11 minus 2 9, here 5 minus 3 2, and here 6. Again 3 9 ja 27. You can take 9 as quotient. 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27, 1 28. 6 16 minus 8 8, 0 0. Again you can divide 32 divided by 8. 8 4 ja 32, it will be 0. So in first steps 616 equal to 32 multiply by 19 plus remainder. Remainder is, what is the remainder? If you take 19 quotient, then remainder will be 8. Remainder is 8. Again remainder is not 0. If remainder is not 0, then you continue this process. Therefore it will be 32 equal to 8 will be divisor, multiply by 8 4 ja 32 plus remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then HCF is divisor. So answer will be 8. Means the maximum number of columns in which they can march. How many columns? 8 march. 8 columns. Sorry, 8 columns. So you can write 8 columns. This is the answer. You can write the answer. Once again I want to clear it. Question, you understand the questions. So here for the maximum number we have to find the HCF of 616 and 32 by Euclid division algorithm. A equal to B cube plus R. Here A is 616 and B equal to 32. So 616 divided by 32, you get 19 as a quotient plus remainder is 8. Again 32 will be dividend and divided by 8. Quotient will be 4. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, then we can find the HCF of 616 and 32 is 8 divisor. So in 8 columns, the maximum number of column is 8 in which they can march. That's all today's session. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you very much. Thanks all.